Have you ever looked at your bird photos and thought, I got the best camera, I know all my settings, I go to the amazing places, I shoot cool birds, but still something feels off with my photos? If you are noticing this, it means you are on the right track. Why? Because realizing something can be better is a sign you are learning and improving. Many people with cameras don't even think about how their photos could be better. Hi, I'm Nipuna, an award-winning bird and nature photographer. I've been at this for years, working hard to create art, not just random snapshots. And guess what? I'm still learning every day. In this video, I'm going to share why your bird photos might not look as amazing as you want and how you can fix that. Stick around because I promise you will pick up some valuable tips. And also, don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I'd love to learn from you too. How do you know if something is wrong with your photos? Well, here's the secret. You need to learn how to read photos. Reading a photo means understanding its elements, like how it's composed, how the light falls, where the subject is placed, the use of colors, textures, and angles to figure out what's the story it's telling. So, how do you start? First, you need to access good photos, not just the ones in your local wildlife Facebook group. Instead, check out FIAP or PSA approved exhibition catalogs. These feature award winning photos choosing under a strict guideline. When you look at these photos, pay attention to what's the subject, how it stands out, what feeling or idea does the photo make you think about, how does the photo's composition guides your eye around the image, what role do lights and shadows play in creating a mood, what story is the photo telling, and how does it connect with you. Practicing this will sharpen your skills. Follow great photographers and study their photos. Compare their work with yours and ask yourself, what are they doing differently? If you can't figure it out, don't be shy. Leave a comment or send them a message. Most photographers love talking about their crafts and will be happy to share tips. Step 2. Get real feedback. You started studying great photos and applying what you have learned. But how do you know if you are improving? Here's the hard truth. Likes and comments from friends and family don't count. They are trying to be nice and supportive, but their feedback isn't always helpful. What you need is honest, constructive feedback. This is where a good mentor can make all the difference. A mentor can point out issues you didn't even notice and give you practical advice to fix them. Trust me, their insights will be a game changer for your photography. Step 3. Nail the composition, even in the post processing. As bird photographers, we don't always have the luxury of framing everything perfectly when we take the shot. Sometimes we need to crop the image during post processing. But here's the thing, cropping isn't just about cutting away edges, it's about creating the perfect composition. And this can be tricky. I'm not going to lie. A good crop can turn a photo into a masterpiece, while a bad one can ruin it completely. So take your time, at least study the basics of composition, like the rule of third, leading lines, experiment with different crops until everything feels just right. Sometimes it might take hours or even days, but trust me, it's worth it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here's the truth, it's not about the camera or lens you are using, it's about the person behind it. Even the best gear can't replicate creativity. Focus on mastering composition, lighting, and storytelling. Keep experimenting. Every professional photographer started where you are now. Stick with it, and I promise your photos will be better. You got this. Thank you. See you in the next video.